Discover Costa Rica's most exclusive culinary adventure, where world-class chefs share secrets you can't find anywhere else.
We create different workshops that we want to share the delicious cuisine that we have here in the center of Costa Rica.
Learn the authentic flavors of southern Costa Rica.
So every single dish that we create has a history.
Master the art of tropical mixology.
And some people call me the liquid chef.
And discover Costa Rica's legendary coffee culture. All leading to an unforgettable dinner experience. Book your exclusive culinary journey at viacasaramon.com.